Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in RVS Python assignment. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Introduction to R and Python. Briefly explain that both R and Python are popular open-source programming languages widely used in data science. Highlight that R is specialized in statistical analysis and visualization, while Python is a general-purpose language with a broader application in data manipulation and machine learning. Step 2. Key differences. Emphasize that R is favored for ad hoc analysis and dataset exploration, particularly in academic and research settings. Mention that Python, with its readable syntax and versatility, is more suited for repetitive tasks, machine learning, and deployment.
Step 3. Advantages and disadvantages. For R, superior for statistical analysis, strong visualization tools, but can be challenging for those without programming experience. For Python, easy to learn, flexible for various tasks, but slower due to its interpreted nature and less effective on mobile platforms. Step 4. Future prospects. Conclude by noting that R continues to be relevant, especially for data visualization experts, while Python remains a robust, evolving language with a wide range of applications.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268 or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.